Lab junctions digital TDS meter. We have two models in digital TDS meter. One is LJ651 and one is LJ Alpha 05. This is the main instrument. Front view. In the front view, one is the function control. In this function control, check TDS and cell constant facility. Next is temperature. Third is range. It has ranges 200 ppm, 2000 ppm, 20 ppt, 200 ppt and 1000 ppt. 5 ranges are available. Now last is the cell constant. For feeding cell constant of conductivity cell or feeding standard solution values. Now this is the front view, and now is the front top view. Side view. Back view. Now again side view. In the back view, these are two banana sockets for connecting conductivity cell sockets. Now this is the cal control for inserting 1 millivolt value from check position in the function control. Now this is the on off switch and this is the main cord. I am switching on the instrument. With this instrument, supplied accessories are instruction manual, with warranty card of 1 year and one is dust cover. Conductivity cell stand. This is conductivity, TDS, salinity cell. We also providing standard solution, conductivity TDS standard solution. This solution have values 1 millisiemens for conductivity and 650 for TDS and 0.75 for salinity. It means 750 value for salinity. This solution is to standardize conductivity, TDS and salinity meter. Now, how to standardize this digital TDS meter and how can we use? Now I am connecting TDS cell to this TDS meter. You just plug this and dip in distilled water before half an hour of testing schedule. Now, how can calibrate this digital TDS meter? First, you go to check position like this from the function control. Now adjust 1.000 from this knob of cal control, this knob. Like this, you have to set 1.000. Like this. Now set your ambient temperature from the temperature control. If you don't know your current ambient temperature, then set to default value 25 degree. If you have your own ambient temperature value, then insert your own temperature value. If you don't know, use standardized value of 25 degrees centigrade. Now you go to TDS control. This is the standard solution. I am opening this like this. Dip in the standard solution. Now this is your first range. This is your first range. This solution have value 650 ppm, then you go to 650, have maximum resolution on 2000 ppm. You go to 2000. Now your standard solution value is fed in the instrument 650. Now this is standardized. Now refresh your solution with distilled water and take the readings. Now one thing is more important in the digital TDS meter. What is this cell constant? Suppose you have to standardize on 650 ppm. Like this. Now go to cell constant knob. Your cell constant is 1.352. You note down in your notebook. Suppose you go to tour for a week. Then some another person use this digital TDS meter. After 1 week you come and need testing of digital TDS meter. Then you go to first check position. Check, this is 1.000. Suppose this is not 000, then you again set 1.000. Like this. Then you go directly and you don't have standard solution. You want to calibrate without standard solution, then directly go to cell constant knob. Then feed your standard value. Suppose your standard value is 1.352. Then set from this 1352. Like this, and directly go to TDS control and take your readings of samples and note down in your notebook. This is the final testing procedure of digital TDS meter. Thanks.